easiest way to open Google Gemini CLI on Windows. So as you can see, I have Gemini already installed on my Windows. So let me try and then type in something like, I want Gemini to teach me how to code today. And that is it. It has given me the answer that yes, it will teach me exactly how to code. Okay, so if you have installed it and then let's say you close it, so how will you open it again? Or what is the easiest way that you can get access to it again? So from your Windows, where we have the search, okay, what that you have to do is that just put the mouse on the search and then come and then click on it. It will open just like this one and then type in CMD, and CMD is simply a command prompt, okay, and then come and select the command prompt. So when you select the command prompt, it will be open just like this one, okay. All that you have to do is simply come here and type in Gemini, okay, just type in the word and then hit enter on your keyboard. So that is it. Simply wait for it to open and it will be open just like this one, and then you have Gemini back again and you can start using it. But if you haven't installed it already, I'm having a full video on my channel showing you exactly step by step how you can install it for the first time. Okay, so you can check that video on the channel. Like the video and then see you in my next video.